Hello everyone. In this video I am going to share some interesting facts of jasmine flower very recently which I got to know and how to take care of it. So guys, watch till the end. Its aroma helps to reduce anxiety. And who doesn't know about jasmine tea? It's needless to mention. It can be used to repel mosquito. It has a strong antibacterial, antiviral and anti-tumor properties. It is used in high-grade perfume and cosmetics, oil, soap, cream, shampoo. In Thailand, jasmine is the symbol for mother and portrays love and respect. Syrup made of jasmine is used as flavoring food. The first thing that needs to be done is, when the plant is brought from nursery, then remove the soil from its root. Three basic ingredients: sand, garden soil and compost. Give plenty of water so that water drains out from under the container. Cut off dried leaves or branch. I use sadabahar booster, kitchen waste and one insect killer. I apply this twice in a month. So guys, if you find this video is helpful for you, please do subscribe, like, share and comment.